right? I think so, actually. I would imagine.
That heel kick here has been alive, so not knowing that huge kick out.
You have to go the long way.
One-handed.
Hi.
아니야, 너무 빠르잖아. 자, 이제 해봐.
Hi.
안녕.
Today I'm gonna do the show first, then I'll go in the playground way. Then the
이거 바이크 쇼야.
bike
이거
jumps over the jump. Then I'll go and sneak it through the crocodile way.
안녕.
Again, we will take this time to thank our sponsors. Canadian Tire, this is our 4th year with them. We got this guy right here in the Suzuki shirt. He brought a whole bunch of stuff. They got some sunglasses to give out. His name's Ryan. We are going to get him to come and chat. Can we give it up for Suzuki too and Canadian Tire, Valley Motorsport? Our crowd this morning was way louder. Do you guys want some free stuff? Do you want to watch some backflips? All right. Once again, thank you to Peach Fest, our 4 years here. We couldn't be happier. We got to thank those people in that building there too for putting up with us. There's Chris Kowalczyk. Like I said, the first rider to turn pro in Canada. There goes Forrest with his second hit off there. Give it up for Jeff Fair. He has been throwing those whips absolutely huge here today. And at our first show, Jeff was throwing those whip backflips. So Forrest putting those feet off the cleats. Jeff with that huge look back whip. Forrest kicking those feet out to the side. Once again, his name is Mark. At 200 kilometers an hour. Chris with that heart attack. What are you going to show so far, Marco? There's Chris. These guys in the first little bit of a jam session here. Wow, we are off to that heel kicker there from Chris Kowalczyk once again. Global FMX, that guy is awesome. He has been doing this longer than some of these spectators have been alive, so And no hander by your local guy out of Kelowna, Chris Nolan. Up comes Chris next. That huge kick out to the side. These guys are just getting warmed up here. There's the man, Jeff Bear. Like I said, natural terrain backflip world record. He has held that record for I don't even know how many
You
years.
have to go the long way.
Chris Nolan kicking that out to the side too. We got our Suzuki reps here too. These people want to get some classes out to you. Double drive there. One-handed Superman. All right. Huge win by Jeff Bear. We want to thank you guys. Hard attack by Chris Wozniak. These guys are just getting warmed up, very warm out here. Huge Superman by Fullers. These guys are absolute pros out here. Next up to the ramp, we got Jeff Bear. Again, Canadian Tire Megamoto, we got to thank them. 4 years we have been doing this out here. One-handed, seeker up. Jeff Bear with that huge extension. He was throwing some massive whips here last year too, so the tricks are only going to get bigger. The louder you guys go, the bigger they go. Hit it up, that's the man, Jeff Bear right there. Noah looks like he's setting up for that cliffhanger. When you do get to see him do it, it is one of the biggest. He is one of the best at doing this. Jeff with another huge whip. There we go. I love seeing the crowd get loud. Like I said, we want to thank Suzuki, Valley Motorsport. They have supported us since the beginning as well. It is because of our sponsors and the wonderful organizers of Beach Fest that we get to continue to come back here and do what we do. So get screaming for these Suzuki people at Valley Motorsport. 1 foot in the can. Great riding so far. We're gonna let these guys. There's that cliffhanger. That trick is absolutely insane. Just with the power that he's bringing it back. The bikes are a little bit loud, but the crowd is louder. What do you think of the show so far? Chris with the huge cliffhanger as well. We're gonna be here for one more today. Huge cliffhanger, Krzysztof Wozniak, like I said, tripped out him and his kid out here. Cruz is a maniac on that thing. Nolan going for that heel clicker. Once again, thank you to Forrest for coming out, filling our spot on such short notice. We are happy to have him here. Jeff Banner with that huge backflip. There he is right there, like I said, natural terrain backflip, world record holder. Forrest with that Superman grab. Jeff with that whip flip. Thank you, our Suzuki rep. Our Suzuki rep will also be here tomorrow. I think he might even be here today. So at our show tomorrow, we will have the owner of Havoc Scooters and also our Canadian, also our Suzuki rep, also out here. So be sure, come join us. Jump on that one-footed backflip. We are going to do a couple more minutes of riding. And then we are going to give out another scooter, maybe? We get another scooter? We should, eh? And if you do not get one today by chance, we have 12 to give out. So, Chris, always going big. Noah with that rock solid. Let go of that bike completely in midair. Jeff, another whip flip. Only seconds away. We're going to get Cruz to lead off this turn. Now Cruz, Chris, Jeff.
That goal that way, guys. You
That's
go down that way.
just in case we haven't mentioned it yet. This is a 60-foot gap. They're about 40 feet in the air. Jeff Bale with the huge. Give it up for him, jumping 5 people at 5 years old. Chris, Nolan, Bear. Now I think we got 2 minutes left, so let's give some more stuff up. Give it up for High Roller Energy, Sledgehammers, Suzuki.
Motorcycle.
Bye to motorcycle. Okay. We'll see you next time.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Shake your hands. Shake your hands.
All right, up until now, there hasn't been a second generation of freestyle motocrossers, but if you make a little bit of noise for our little man, so ladies and gentlemen, this is 5-year-old Cruz Garwasia. I'm going to try not to get too proud here because this is my son, but we're going to have
모토쇼 보고 집에 오는 길인데